In this question, they're talking about a rate, and we know that the distance that's covered is 10 furlongs, and it takes about 2 minutes, and they want us to figure out, in order to finish the race in 2 minutes, what must that rate be? Now, more specifically, they want the rate in miles per hour. So we want the answer to finish out with distance over time, miles per hour. So let's go ahead and put the current rate that we know with the distance on top, so 10 furlongs, I'll just put fur. And then in the denominator, we're gonna put the time, so 2 minutes. So right now it's a distance over time. However, we need to convert the furlongs to miles and the minutes to hours. So I like to do it in kind of this chart-like fashion, which essentially makes it so that they're each fractions that are being multiplied. It doesn't matter which one we convert first, but let's say I want to convert furlongs first. Whatever you're trying to get rid of, it has to be located diagonally so that they cancel. And we know 8 furlongs is equivalent to 1 mile. So now we have our units in miles per minute, but I want it in miles per hour. So I'm also going to have to eliminate minutes, which means it has to be diagonal from it. We want hours to take its place. Well, we know 1 hour is 60 minutes. So now we have our units in miles per hour. We're going to go ahead and multiply all the numbers that are in the numerator. So whether you use a calculator or not, you don't really need to, because we just add a 0 to 60. And then we're going to go ahead and divide by the product of these numbers. So in other words, 2 times 8. Or 16. Now, if you choose to use your calculator, I won't fault you for it, but it's very important to avoid an order of operation error. When you press divided by, at least put the left parenthesis so that when you do 2 times 8, it's really going to be doing divided by the product of 2 times 8. If you don't put a parenthesis, it's going to do 600 divided by 2, which is 300, and then it's going to take 300 and multiply it by 8, which is 2400. So let me show you that. This is the correct answer, 37.5. We could type it in, call it a day. However, I just want to show you for this example, let's say you did take 10 times 600, and then if you put divided by 2 times 8, it's exactly what I said. It divided it by 2, then multiplied by 8. So that's why at least the left parenthesis is key. Whether you close it or not is totally up to you.